Student, already ami agor class discuss kori aisu relationship with current, surge and time. The unit of current is, this is ampere, surge that is coulomb, and time in second. That means 1 ampere of current constitute 1 coulomb of surge flow through a conductor per second. That constitute 1 ampere of current. That is already discussed in the previous classes. Now, today we will discuss what is 1 coulomb. What is the meaning of 1 coulomb? 1 coulomb is the surge. Okay, that is the surge. That means surge we denote it as Q. Okay, so already we know surge means is it a positive or negative surge. That means protons and electrons give these surges. Okay, protons and electrons give these surges. Protons give positive surge and electron give negative surges. And here this lowest surge of an electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. That is the lowest possible surge. One electron gave surge of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. In case of protons also same, magnitude is same, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. But in case of electron it is negatively surged. In case of protons it is positively surged. Okay, just positive and negative is different, but the magnitude is same. So that is to say, that is the surge of, that is, you see, that is the unit is coulomb. Here also coulomb, but here 1 coulomb. Here I am writing 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. That means 1.6 divided by 10 to the power 19. That means the value is very small. That mass of surge given by 1 electron. Okay. Now here I am writing 1 coulomb. That means 1 coulomb produce korbo karone kiman electrons lagibo? How many electrons required to produce 1 coulomb? Like one simple. You see, suppose you have 100 rupees. You have to make, suppose, 100 rupees. Now you have 25 rupees. Tomar hatot 25 taka ase, tumi kiman banaba lage? 100 rupees banaba lage. So kiman ta tenuka tomar 25 taka lagibo. So kenai koriba? 100 like 100 rupees. Kiman number lagibo? Tomar kiman ase 25 rupees ase. So how you will calculate? And 100 divided by 25, so equal to 4. That means tomak 4 numbers of ki lagibo? 25 rupees lagibo. Then kiman produce koribo ge? 100 rupees produce koribo. Like that, you have surge of 1 electron. This is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And you have to make 1 coulomb. So in the same way, formula is there. Q equal to N into E. Q is the surge and number of electrons. E, 1 electron surge, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, and here the surge you have to make 1 coulomb. So that means 1 coulomb. How many number of electrons required? If surge of 1 electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So in the same way, how many number of electrons required there? 1, that coulomb will be cancelled. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So you just put 1.6. Now 10 to the power 19 the upside, so minus will become plus. So I can write that one also like 10 into 10 to the power 18 by 1.6. If we cut that one, then we'll get 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. That means you required 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 number of electrons to make 1 coulomb of charge. So this number of electrons required to produce 1 coulomb of charge. That means 1 coulomb containing 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 number of electron. That is number. Okay, like that you have to make 100 rupees. Like here you have to make 1 coulomb. Here like we have 25 rupees. Here charge of 1 electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. You have to make it 1 coulomb. Like that here you have to make 100 rupees. The same way, instead of 100 I am writing here 1 coulomb. Like that here 25 rupees I have. Like here the charge of 1 electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So you have to record how many number of electrons. Number of electrons. Number. Kimanta electron lagibo to make 1 coulomb, like to make 100 rupees. Okay, the same way you just calculate, then you will get 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 number of electrons, not coulomb. 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 number of electrons required to make 1 coulomb of charge. That is about 1 coulomb. Okay. Now, then it is a very important questions. In your book also that question is there. That means in 1 coulomb of charge, how many number of electrons required? That is a very common question. Okay, you have to use that formula. Q equal to N into E. From that you can derive and you can determine the number of electrons. Okay.